opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Would you capture it, or just let it slip?
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud.
Solzi sami kapar prosti mi, teški se ko tvojte planini, plače srce od tri strani, što krvavi nogu godi. Plače srce od tri strani, što krvavi nogu godi.
Yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, you better